One thing I'd like to say right up front is that the CFN has become a part of our larger lab identity. Its mission, if you look it up, was to benefit society by spearheading a revolution in technology and industry.
And what we really need to do as a government and working with your organization is to give you the support and help as you're coming up with all the creative new ideas. You are on the cutting edge, and we want to be your partners in making sure that happens.
And the CFN, along with the light source and the core programs here, are working together more than we ever have. And I tie a lot of that to the example that the CFN set. The CFN, together with the 4 nanoscale science research centers, have truly realized the decade-old vision of defining an entirely new branch of discovery science. Congratulations again on your first decade of operational excellence for the benefit of the CFN user community and on your stellar scientific achievements.
I cannot adequately express how grateful and honored I am to be part of this milestone celebration, and more importantly, for having been part of such an exciting time at the CFN.
CFN, maybe you don't realize, played a substantial role in who I am as a person, not just as who I am as a scientist.
This has been a transformative experience for me personally. I've learned a tremendous amount from working with all of you, and I also had a wonderful interaction with the folks in the electron microscopy group. I think we did a lot of great things together as a team.
The CFN is expected to attract an estimated 300 researchers annually. Who would tell us that 10 or 11 years later we'll have doubled the number? And now the CFN in 2018 had about 600 users.
As we say all the time around here, the most important asset of the CFN are all of us. And when I say all of us, I don't just mean people who work at the CFN who are wearing these t-shirts today, but many, many more people from all around Brookhaven and all around the world, actually, because we include our users as part of the group of people who have all contributed to this place.